Hey guys, this is going to be a how-to video on how to install electric steering rack on a 2014 Ford Mustang. And this is the part number right here. I would definitely recommend it from Ford or Motorcraft because these are all going to be remanufactured. You'll save a lot of time if you just go with the original one. Took the front brace and the front cover off. You have the 2014 Mustang lifted up. Go ahead and take off the front wheels. And to gain access to the steering rack and pinion right there, you'll have to take off this brace and this cover, held on by 7 or 8 of these bolts. They're 15 mils. And then to get the cover off, there's 2 10s on there. To get that cover off, next up is to go ahead and loosen up the tie rod ends. Go ahead and count your thread just so you can get it back as accurate as possible. No matter what, you'll still have to do alignment after this rack and pinion job, but that way you can actually drive it onto the alignment rack. When you take off that 18 right there, go ahead and loosen this up like so. That way we can go ahead and loosen the tie rod end off once we have this bolt off. So this is right here going to be at 18. And pretty simple. You have 18 right here. That's on this side over here, if you can see it. And then there's another 18 in the back over there, which you have a lot of room for access, so no need to worry about that. Now you have the ECU or the module right here for the steering rack. Just go ahead and push these red clips up, push it up, and pop them off like so. You put that to the side, and then now you have another 18 right here. Loosen that up, and on this side you're going to do the same. Loosen this 22 before you take it off. Those tie rod ends loosened up, getting it ready to come out. Got those 3 18s loosened up. Right now we move over here to the back side. Right here we have the drive shaft, the steering wheel drive shaft. I went ahead and used the vice grip to hold it in place. Right now we just hit this 13 right here. Make sure that doesn't fall. You don't have to take it all the way out, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Have it. And once I get those 18s, we'll just come right out. Hit this 18 out, go ahead and use a short. And then you have one more over here, and then a third one in the back right here. You just hit it from the top side right here. Have it. This one's going to be different from these two, so set this aside separate. 3 bolts that are holding on the rack and pinion to the subframe out of there. And now we're going to go ahead and loosen up the tie rods. what you're gonna do is just hold this down. While you're holding it down, hit this spot with the hammer. Got it mounted back up there. What I was able to do was I propped it up on the passenger side first. This side I had a little bit of room, so I went ahead and aligned it up with the steering shaft. And now I just have to hit that 13 mil bolt back on there, tighten it. Because I used the vice grip, it held it in place, so I was able to do it by myself. Alright, so there's that 13 right there. To the subframe. We're still going to need to torque those down. And last one in the back right there. Still gonna have to torque those down. Go ahead and tighten these down. Remember the thread that you counted earlier before the installation on your old steering rack is very important. So I always write it down with a marker right there, expo marker, just so you can get it aligned up as close as possible, but still, no matter what, you're still gonna have to get your alignment done after this job. So just tighten these down. You want them tight, but don't over torque it. Tie rod end bolts. After you tighten the nut for the 22 right there, go ahead and re-plug in the module. And then now we can go ahead and install the shield, the splash shield, and also the brace. So that's gonna go right there.